How to fix Decky Loader error in 60 seconds. Press the Steam button and switch to desktop mode. Open the browser and type in Decky Loader. Click the Decky Loader GitHub page, then download Decky Loader. Move the file from Downloads folder to your desktop. Open the file, press Continue, and enter your password. After this, select Wipe Decky Loader and press OK. It's finished. Press OK again, then open the file again and enter your password. Select Release Version and press OK. When installation complete, restart your Steam Deck. That's all. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and check out my new videos about handhelds. See you in the next one. Bye bye.